office. We're just gonna do a full spine adjustment.
Lift that arm up for me, sir. That's it. Come around this way again. Perfect. Good. Good. Other side. Take a deep breath. Exhale all the way out. Good, Sam. Good. Face up for me. Very, very good. Let's get your neck adjusted. Good. This one nice and light.